Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to cancel your Netflix subscription. If you're doing this on the web version, you just simply need to go over to netflix.com, log on into your account, and then make sure to tap on your profile. Then once you're here, you're going to go to the top right corner, and then once you hover over it, you'll see some options. Among the options, you want to click on account, then you want to locate membership and billing or just the membership. Click on membership. And on this page, you want to scroll to the bottom where you find cancel membership. Once you click on cancel membership, you'll be taken to the confirmation page. And then of course you could confirm by clicking on finish cancellation to complete the process. Now, if you'd like to cancel using your mobile app, you can simply locate your Netflix app. And then once you open it, you're going to locate your account avatar. And this can be located at the bottom right corner for the Android. You're going to tap on it. My Netflix, and then at the top you're going to tap on the three dashes right there, then tap on account. Then with your account selected, you're going to scroll down to where you can see cancel membership. Cancel membership is at the bottom, so simply tap on it and proceed to confirm your cancellation. Now, of course, if you're using a third-party app for your subscription and you want to cancel it from the third-party app provider, first you'll need to identify who handles your billing. So if it's Google Play, you simply need to open your Google Play app and at the top right corner, tap on your profile avatar or icon, and then tap on payments and subscriptions. And then here you're going to tap on subscriptions. Then you want to locate the Netflix subscription right here under subscriptions. Tap on it and then look for the deactivate or cancel subscription option and confirm your decision. This will effectively cancel your Netflix subscription. So whether you're using the web, the app, or a third-party service, these are the options to follow. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.